Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will make a video about news reporting for English oracy for daily communication course. First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Aisha Juliani.
And I'm Nadia Kabuyao.
We are from English department of class A.
Did you hear about the speech of Prabowo that went viral?
Yes, I read it online. The headline state Indonesia will recognize Israel if Palestine gain independence.
That's concerning. How many countries recognize Palestine as an independent country?
The sources confirm the state of Palestine is recognized as a sovereign state by 147 of 193 member states of the United Nations, or just over 76% of all UN members.
I see. If it continues this way, they won't stop the war immediately.
I agree. If Indonesian president and many other country leaders will recognize Israel as a country, it will make a big problem.
I also read online that many against the Prabowo or said in speech because he mentioned Indonesia will support all guarantees for the security of Israel.
The report highlights even if Indonesia has not informed official relation with Israel, although they have been doing business together.
Oh, I see. I hope the government know which side should we choose.
Yeah, I hope so too.
That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.